Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the exposure on Insta360 X5. I think that my exposure is a bit too high now, and if I want to turn it down, I can just slide left from the right edge of the screen. Then there is exposure value, and you can see there's auto and manual mode. You can set it both in auto or in manual mode. You'll see it in a moment. So you can either go to exposure here and set it to something lower. I think that's like somewhat accurate. Yeah, it is. Or you can set it to something higher, so it's gonna be brighter. Now I'm gonna go back to 0 for a moment. And let's go to manual. Here, the exposure is not supported for some reason. I think I could like make it be supported. Let's try doing it like that, and then let's go to that. Yeah, no, maybe it's just not supported in manual mode at all, but you can adjust the shutter speed and ISO. And for that, there will be a whole other video because this is like a bit more complicated. So I don't want to go too deep into that right now, but you can adjust those instead of the exposure if you wish. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.